doing today. Okay, I just want to be with you for just a few minutes because I got a notification that the Afghan government in Exile cabinet members they are going to stream live. So I don't know when Zoom meeting. I don't know if it will be in next hour or few minutes, but whenever you notice that they are streaming, please call my attention so that I can quit. Now, the breaking news today. Some said that PM has been arrested. Some said that no, he did not. Nobody arrested him. That is just a kind of what happened last year. Last year similar thing happened. Then after then you have the Afghan Convention, Finland Convention in Finland, which was successful last year. Now and again, similar thing is repeating himself. Yesterday and 2 days ago, many people were panicking. Some suspect that something is wrong somehow. But today, like I said yesterday, if you were on our program last night, I made it clear that if anything happened, if there's any suspicion or anything, any delay, or any negative thing at all, that people that will celebrate it, we cannot hold back the joy. That's what I say. If you follow us on our late hour broadcast yesterday, you must have listened that part where I mentioned that. I said that if there's something wrong with PM absent, that some people will come out to celebrate it like never before. Today, they are celebrating social media, everybody's like, celebrating. I am here for a few things. I'm not here to cut the joy of, to stop anybody's joy and happiness. As a government of Nigeria, you are happy. As a supporter of government of Nigeria, you are happy. As haters of Igbo people, you are happy. As somebody who feels that there's no need of Biafra, but somehow Biafra is important for you to earn your livelihood, somehow you are happy. But one thing is for sure, I will separate this broadcast, I will try to manage my words, like making sure that I focus on what I want to say. Once I finish on that one, I will now move to another thing. Helen Peters, you are here. Nice to have you, my sister. Please click on the like button. I am not here with I'm not here with that kind of zeal to say something. I did not prepare this live stream because I want to pour out my mind. I want to say what I feel, and what I think that is right to do. Like the video, please, as you are joining us. Like the video. First of all, I want to tell you one thing. You need to be courageous. I want to say this just as an Igbo person, and you on your own quiet time, you have analyzed things, or as a Biafran, you have analyzed things, and you find out that look, this is what I think that is gonna give us peace. We all need peace. We all need freedom. We all want to live in a calm environment. Don't be deceived. Don't panic. Do not feel like the world has come to an end. No. Because some of you that will develop BP and start spinning your clothes and all that is wrong. And you need to understand what you are in for. Just like DOS members, okay? Then it is after the kidnap of Master Khan that we started knowing or having the knowledge of what they actually want in the first place. Do you understand? So you that know what you want, don't deviate. Don't deviate. Don't start panicking or thinking that, oh, your own has... Listen, people that was killed yesterday in Nnewi, I believe that most of you have watched the video. Unless if you are not following this platform, then you need to join and follow it very, very well. Because I shared a video here in one of our videos. I think that was yesterday, yes. Where, or is it today or early? I think I can't remember because I have other video that I post after that. You must have seen the video where they buy people in Nnewi. A guy, a young man, and a woman, a lady. These two individuals, they are the one that we have managed to see in that video. Somehow I blocked the video because of the platform, because I don't want to play graphic image. But I want you to understand that those people that was killed yesterday by Nigerian security forces, because residents said that immediately after army drove through that road, they just passed and katakata started. Because the news is that youth from Nnewi were protesting. They were not happy about the Ifayoba saga and all that, which I'm not here for. My question, what I want to ask yourself is this: those people, are there for some those young people that are being killed? Are there Simon Ekpa boys or girls? The answer is no. Are there? Do they oppose any threat to Nigerian state? The answer is no. Are they bearing any harmful object like gun or weapon like that? The answer is no. Were they carrying Biafran flag? The answer is no. So why killing them? What was the offense? I'm saying it because of some of us that think that, the most deadly thing is now is to talk about Biafra or your freedom. It is not. Because even if you do, you are going to, they're going to kill you. And I'm trying to select my words, choose my words. I don't want this video to be like I'm calling for war or I am trying to say something that I'm not supposed to say. One thing I want you to understand is be courageous and stand on what you believe on. See, people that are celebrating the disappearance of PM, because as I'm making this video, as of this point, I am still trying to, make up what's happened, to know why PM is not active on social media. Some say that they arrest him. Some say that no, it was just like a, interrogation. The same thing that happened last year, because last year he was not arrested also. But Nigerian news and everybody say, oh, they have arrested him and all that. And obedient then and now is not the same. Igbo people were busy celebrating that. Obedient people, they were celebrating and jubilating. Then after that, PM surface and carry on the activities without committing any crime against humanity, against international law. So since last year until now, the PM have not been questioned on anything. Now, as Igbo person, as Igbo man, you speak Igbo, and somehow whether you support one Nigeria or you are against one Nigeria, whether you are stranded, you don't know what to believe. One thing I want you to know is this: when Wazirike was fighting for Biafra, the challenges that you face now as Igbo person was not there. It was not there. That challenges, maybe you say you have challenges, yes, but it's not as it is now. Forget about political, they don't give you an enabling environment to participate in Nigerian politics. Now it is beyond that. It is beyond contesting as a president, as whatever you think. It is beyond that. Even if you give them, even if you wash your hands off from military politics today, you are going to have these people coming into your land to do the needful for them, because it is their own. You must have them in your land. What are you going to do to stop that? Because one, Igbo people are not, they're nowhere to be found in Nigerian politics. This is not an insult, it is what it is. Igbo people are the least. In fact, Bini people, okay, have more chance to rule Nigeria than Igbo man. Efik, of course, they have more chance to rule Nigeria than Igbo man. What tribe do you want me to mention? I'm trying to come up with a tribe that you barely know. They have more chance to rule Nigerian than Igbo man. It is there. My broadcast is being attacked. Someone is attacking my live stream. Okay. Let me confirm this. Please, my brother, thank for all your effort. That's a happy you made. And Helen Peter says, he that laugh last laugh the best. Well done, Peter Okafor. Please, guys, my image is frozen here. I don't know why. Let me see. I hope it is playing normally on your end. Can you confirm this for me? Because I'm struggling to know why. If that is the case, I have to end the stream and come back, because what is going on? Just a moment, just a moment. My image is dancing on my camera here, but I don't know if it's dancing the same way on your end. Please, if you can hear me, can you comment that you can hear me? I don't mind continuing that way. As long as you can hear me and you can see me, I don't mind continuing. So someone should let me know if we are good to go, or should I just end it and come back again? Please, it is very important if you can check that for me. Let me see how the video is. How good is video? Okay. Can somebody confirm? We can hear you. Can you see me? Okay, said loud and clear. So what about my image, my picture? Is it dancing? Because here it keep on dancing. I can't even. Let me see. Is it paused? Is it muted? Okay, I'm not muted, but the image, how loud and clear. I see you, I hear you. Okay, let's continue. Here it's just like as if I am my image looks like okay, it's a frozen. It is frozen. Yeah, I said it. So please, okay, let me see if I will let me work on my internet. Samsung logo stagnated. Yeah, okay, stagnant. It should be stagnant. I don't know why it's like that. Okay, let me come back again. It's paused. Okay. Sorry guys, please don't get away. I will start the program immediately, because it happened to me last time and the image is frozen. Yeah, I said it. Okay, it's frozen. Okay.